Hi there, I'm here today to tell you about the unique lawn seeding and renovation services offered by MRW Lawns Incorporated. Most experts agree late summer and fall presents your best opportunity to seed or sod a new lawn. Is your soil hard and compacted, heavy clay, rocky, or maybe you have other poor soil conditions? Is your lawn bumpy or uneven, prone to erosion, in need of grading? MRW Lawns has solutions such as tilling, topsoil, and compost. MRW Lawns remains your only choice when you choose to use a professional lawn care company to help you establish your lawn.